Get some model homes. Well, then there you go. We'll be in there in a minute.
This is not fun.
What do you think?
It's nice.
Angie?
I love it. There's salad dressing in the fridge. You want to see?
No, thank you. What is this, an office?
Yeah. And there's a patio out here.
There's another.
Oh.
Patio is cool.
I like the little window.
No, it's more secluded.
Is this the master?
Oh, Mom, washer and dryer.
Okay, just a sec.
It has a closet.
Oh, wow. A toilet? Yeah, you could put all your goodies in there, my goodies.
Yeah. It's a little small. Not bad though. I mean, I like all the windows.
Ooh,
This is the other room?
Yeah.
with shelves. There's another bedroom. A walk-in closet.
Yeah.
You can put your like bed.
No. No.
I already took that room.
Sophia, you're
The
not.
other guest bathroom. Oh. Shower. And toilet. Double sinks.
Oh, you were yelling at me for touching the books? She's
Oh,
stealing.
good.
May I see the closet, Angie?
Hey Siri, it's time to party.
I'm having Wi-Fi issues. Look in the home app for more information.
What?
Can I see the closet?
Oh yeah.
Cute though, I like all the stuff in it.
Oh, this is also a walk-in.
Yeah, isn't it cute? Oh look, Mom. This is your backpack. What is it doing in this room?
Dude, I would have had your room set up like this as a little girl.
Yeah, we know. You guys have a walk-in closet too?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's the bathroom.
that's the throne.
Dang. We all know that all your clothes are gonna take up the whole space though.
Yeah, Dad would have to get the downstairs closet.
Yeah.
I'm just joking.
Pretty good, huh?
There's a little balcony out there.
Oh really? Wait,
Yeah, but don't open the door.
Why? It's nice out here. Look.
Oh wow, you get the pool view for
It's kind of sketchy though. I don't like it. Let's go back up.
Yeah, it is scary.
Boys up there.
Yeah.
Right?
Let me see.
The couch
I'd
is
rather put the TV right here and put a couch right here or something.
No, because it's built like that though.
Yeah.
What? You think like this?
You'd have to put a couch in between that wall. I don't.
Probably townhouses.
Make a look in our house.
This is
There's
the
a window
guest
right
house.
there?
Yeah,
It's
well,
like if you have somebody in here.
who's that?
I still like it.
I like it too. Oh, it's a patio.
Oh, it has it.
Wow, that's cute. I really like this patio.
So the corner units are the bigger units.
Yeah.
These are kind of
Here's a guest bathroom. Tall mirror. Sink. Toilet. Window. Here goes the stairs to the... Oh, what's in here? A closet. Go up.
It's okay.
Hey, let's chill.
Yeah, this is like our room right now.
She didn't say anything back.
Is this just a regular room?
This is office space.
Excuse me. You can turn it into an office or a bedroom. They have basic closets.
This one would probably be yours, and the other one would probably
Washer and dryer.
That's the other room?
Yeah.
Linen.
They're about the same size. This is okay. Pretty good, right?
Guest bath. Or no, that's the regular bath
Yeah.
for the girls. Oh, this is the master. Shower. Double sinks. Toilet. Ooh, nice closet. See how far back it goes. Oh, not too far. Still cute. Hello. It's quite big.
Alright.
This is the other bedroom.
How much were these? Same price?
This is a little cheaper, but it's around the same. Okay,